Hello and welcome back to Start Coding with MK. Today, we are diving into a step-by-step guide on creating a responsive HTML page using Bootstrap's grid layout and a card classes utility. Let's get started. As usual, we will start by writing our HTML boilerplate code in our favorite text editor, and we will create a new HTML file. As we have done before, a basic HTML web page structure has the following tags: DOCTYPE HTML, HTML tag, head tag, and body tags. In the head section, we include our meta tags for charset and viewport settings to ensure compatibility and responsiveness across devices. We then link Bootstrap 5 in the head section using the link tag. This will give us access to Bootstrap's powerful styling and layout tools. We will also add some custom styling to take care of the card's hover effect and other aesthetics. We assign the body tag with the Bootstrap container fluid class. The container fluid class sets out the body in a container that expands and fills the viewport with and sets a responsive layout foundation. Inside the container, let's create our first row. This row will house a single column which contains a card. We will customize the card with a light background and primary text color for a clean look. Now, let's move on to row 2. We create another row and divide it into 3 columns. Each column will have a card utility styled similar to row 1 but with an added hover effect for a dynamic user experience. To create rows 3 and 4, we'll just copy the structure of row 1 for row 3 and row 2 for row 4. This will help us with maintaining consistency in structuring and styling. Finally, let us now see whether we have closed all the tags to avoid any syntax errors and ensure proper HTML formatting, and then save our file.